Hello everyone, this is Ruchi from Ruchi's Crafeteria and welcome back to my channel. So much excited to share a good news that I'm selected as design team member to Expressions Craft. Expressions Craft is an Indian brand who supplies wide range of mixed media products like stencils, paper flowers, chalk paints, chipboard embellishments, metallic paints, crackle paste, gesso, texture paste, deco stones, gel mediums and many more. So let's see what I've got in my DT kit. First is fabric pack, and it's a pack of 3 fabrics: burlap, cotton gauze and grey cloth. They are perfect to work with sculptor text medium. Next are paper flowers, and those flowers are handmade and made with quality eco-friendly artisan craft paper. This one is shabby equident and the others are daisy, wild rose, cotton cream and caramel and mixed melody red and pink. So let's move to chipboards. There are lots of beautiful designs in my DT kit, and the first one is sweetheart and thank you, ornamental oval frame, and this one is geary border, and the other one is happy birthday and ornamental flowers. This one is kitchen love and garden greens. The other one is beehive. The other one is mannequin with wings. This is super cool. And the other one is numbers and alphabets. This one is clock set. It's a set of 3 clocks. And the other one is pollen flowers. This one is leafy wreath. The other one is scallop square, and this one is designer square frame. These are our gorgeous stencils. This one is pinwheel square stencil, and this is funky flower mixed media. This is alphabet stencils. The other one is waves, and this is diamond. Next product is metallic colors, and these are high quality water based paints and can be applied on wood, metal, fabric and gives beautiful shimmer finish once dry. This first one is mermaid song. This is jingle shells, purple affair, holiday gold, hunter green and snow pearl. This is unicorn pink, and this is disco rose. I love the name. And the other one is gunmetal gray, and this last is bronze moon. This product is sprinkle glitz, and this creates beautiful snow fun presence on your project. Let me open it, and it looks like sugar crystal, and can be mixed with gesso, texture paste, gel mediums, and if you want you can just sprinkle it on your projects as well. This one is fairy dust, and you can use it with the same technique. And this is rainbow sparks, and this one is Alaska gold. They are very shimmery and perfect for your mixed media projects. Let me move them aside, and now time for deco stones. These are lightweight stones and can be used to add texture effect to your mixed media projects, and you can use it as they are, or you can mix with chalk paints, sprinkle mist, gesso and all. They come in 4 sizes: mega, medium, mini and micro. And now it's time for crackle texture paste. Um, in my pack, one is texture paste and one is crackle texture paste, and these are dimensional white opaque paste that give beautiful cracking pattern when it dries. These are water based and paintable, non-toxic, and give permanent finish after dries. And now these are gel mediums. One is gloss and one is matte finish. It's a lightweight water-based acrylic medium, and they dry quick. You can mix with paints, pigments and inks to create custom base paints. These are heavy gessos. One is black and one is white, and you can use them on canvas, paper, fabric, wood, metal, chipboards, plastics. This product is Sculptor Text Counter Medium, and this pack is clear one. It's a fabric hardener and eco-friendly water-based liquid medium. This product can harden absorbent material like paper, cardboard, fabrics, leather and fiberglass. These are Sprinkle Mist, and this product available in 16 colors. And this one is white, titanium white, and this is persimmon. That one is deep teal blue, chestnut and dark purple and fuchsia pink. So let's move to the another product in my DT kit, and these are chalk paints. These are water based, non-toxic, eco-friendly and dry fast, odor free. And this one is baby blue, the other one is cotton candy, and this is champagne linen, desert grape, and the other one is military brown and coral peony. This is azar and the valentine tulip, and the last one is yellow. So that's my huge DT kit, and I'm all set to work with these beautiful products. All products are available to Expressions Craft website, and I have mentioned the link in the description box. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and soon gonna come up with the crafty videos using these products, so don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See ya.